Camellia Care, EGCg Green Tea Skin Cream Uses. Camellia Care Facial Cream may help diminish existing skin damage, minimize further oxidative skin damage, maintain skin hydration and firmness, brighten and balance skin tone. ECGg and Resveratrol. Attracts water to the skin. Humectant. Improves the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Cetearyl and Sorbitan Olivate. Forms a protective skin barrier. Soothes and calms sensitive skin. Tones skin. Description: mild by nature Camellia Care Green Tea Facial Cream with EGCg from green tea plus resveratrol and hyaluronic acid. pH balanced, no fragrance added and cruelty-free. No GMOs, no parabens and no phthalates. Suitable for all skin types. Suggested use: use AM and PM. After cleansing and toning, apply a thin layer to face and neck until fully absorbed. Warnings: for external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. Keep out of reach of children. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Store in a cool, dry place. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.